In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Method CRM for esignature functionality in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing invoices and quotes in QuickBooks Online, Method CRM is a powerful tool that can help streamline your workflow. By integrating Method CRM, you'll gain access to enhanced features like esignature functionality, which makes it easier and faster to get client approvals. Whether you're new to Method CRM or just looking to set up this integration, I'll guide you through the process step by step. If you don't already have a Method CRM account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started. First, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen here. You'll see a menu panel. From this panel, click on the option labeled Apps. This section is where you can explore and manage app integrations for QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Find Apps tab. This is where you can search for specific tools to connect to your QuickBooks account. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Method CRM. Once you've entered that, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, you should see a list of search results displayed on your screen. Look for Method CRM in that list and click on it to open the app's dedicated page. On the Method CRM page, take a moment to review the details provided. This will give you a good overview of its features and how it can benefit your business. Understanding these details can help you make the most out of the integration. When you're ready, locate the Get App Now button. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the Method CRM page. Go ahead and click on it. This will start the process of connecting Method CRM to your QuickBooks Online account. From here, simply follow the authentication and connection instructions that QuickBooks provides. These steps will ensure your Method CRM account is securely linked to QuickBooks. Make sure to carefully complete each step as guided. Once the integration process is complete, you're all set. You can now begin using the esignature functionality within Method CRM to manage your invoices and quotes more efficiently. This feature allows you to send documents to clients for electronic signatures, saving you time and helping you close deals faster. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.